Hi everyone, it's Lois Avellanet with Easiest Pie Stamping. Today I'm excited to share with you my beginner series, episode 1, the types of stamps. Stay tuned because you will learn all about the best types of stamps to use for card making and other paper crafts. I post weekly videos on rubber stamping projects, techniques, and tips. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. I'm going to take the mystery out of all the types of stamps you can purchase from Stampin' Up. When you're finished watching this video, you'll know the features and benefits of each type. Did you know all Stampin' Up stamps are made in the U.S. with the highest quality materials? Let's start with wood mount rubber stamps first. Let's talk about the features and benefits. Red rubber produces the best image. It is clean and crisp. Being wood mount means they are always ready to use. The blocks are made from farmed maple and 2 of the sides are grooved so you can firmly grip the block. Clear mount rubber stamps were introduced in 2010. We use the same quality red rubber and foam layer for cushioning, just like the wood mount stamps, to achieve a superior image. These stamps are used with clear blocks. They have an adhesive label that sticks to the clear block. Our blocks are made of acrylic and all 4 sides are grooved, so you can have a firm grip. The blocks are see-through, making it easier to position your stamp. They are reusable, making it more economical and environmentally friendly. The stamps are stored in DVD-sized cases, making for space-saving storage. I'm super excited to show you the next type of rubber stamp. This is called a cling stamp. These are the newest member of our stamp lineup, and they are an improvement on the clear mount stamps. They are made of the same quality red rubber and foam layer and have the same features and benefits. The improvement comes in the form of the adhesive label. Can you hear how my finger sticks to the label? So this label is super clingy and it will not shift or fall off your block, which sometimes happens with the clear mount stamps. So let me press this on here and then just watch how easy it is for me to remove it. Okay, this is the cling mount one, and as you can see, it's not coming up or moving or shifting or anything. And then to remove it, you just want to get your finger underneath the label and then just pull gently up, and that way you won't tear the foam. So I'm super excited about this product because now we don't have to worry about our stamps falling off. They're going to stay there until we remove them ourselves. Head on over to my blog right now and sign up for my email newsletter with techniques, tips, classes, projects, and promotions every week. You won't want to miss it. The link is below. Photopolymer stamps were introduced in 2013. The biggest feature is that they're see-through, making it super easy to position your stamp exactly where you want it. Let me show you with this. So I've already stamped the So Happy to Have You in My Life. And I'm going to take this crown piece and I'm going to center it right above this word So. And because the block and the stamp are completely clear, I can see exactly where I want my stamp to go. So I'm going to ink it up. I'm going to center this above, press down, and there we go. Okay, the material is super flexible, and that gives you lots of creative options. So let me show you something. So I'm going to take this stamp here that's this kind of swirly line. And I'm going to put it on the block, but I'm going to bend it so that it kind of does like a nice little curved shape. Okay. And then I can take the piece here that I stamped, and let's say I want to have the curved line underneath the word life. So I'm going to ink this up. I'm going to center this underneath, press down firmly, and there we go. So much fun. I just love our new photopolymer stamps. Lots of creative options. To achieve the best image, it's best to have a cushioning layer underneath your paper that you're stamping on. So I was using the silicone mat, which works really well. And then also our piercing mat, which is a thicker foam, also works great with the photopolymer stamps. The photopolymer is very sticky, so it clings well to the clear blocks. As you can see, it's very sticky. The material is cheaper, therefore you get more stamps at a lower price. They are also packaged in a DVD size case for easy storage. So let me give you a little history. Shelley Gardner is one of the founders of Stampin' Up, and one of the biggest innovations in stamping was Shelley's two-step stamping. This was where you used more than one stamp to create an image with depth. So I'm going to use this older stamp set that I have called Watercolor Minis, and it was one of my favorites back in the day. And I'm going to show you how you use the two-step stamping to build a butterfly with dimension. So what you do first is you take the bolder stamp and stamp it in a lighter color. So right here I'm using the petal pink, and I'm just going to stamp it on this little square. Okay, and then I'm going to use the real red, a darker color, to stamp the more detailed part of the butterfly. And this is a wood mount stamp, and this was back when that's all we had were the wood mount rubber stamps. And so to stamp it, you had to kind of look at it sideways and get it as close as you could. And there we go. So we've created this pretty butterfly with two colors and two stamps. And so what our distinctive stamps do is create a three-dimensional image with just one stamp. Distinctive stamps are our newest innovation in image technology. The manufacturing process creates a photorealistic image, and they are offered in both red rubber and photopolymer. So let me show you this stamp set. It's called Wishing You Well, and I use this to make my Christmas cards this year. I thought it's a very beautiful set. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how this works. So this one's kind of two-step stamping with distinctive stamps. So I'm going to use these two images together. So each stamp has the distinctive technology. So you can see that it looks like there's lighter and darker leaves. And then I'm going to take the bow and ink this up in the real red. And then I'm just going to position it where I would want it to be on the wreath. And see how lovely that is? It's like, you know, it's a very see-through or transparent kind of ribbon, and you can see the layers of ribbon and the wreath underneath the ribbon. So this just creates a very beautiful image, and it's so easy to do. So I'm going to show you how to assemble your different types of stamps. So the photopolymer, there is no assembly required. You just pull back the plastic sheet, remove one of the stamps, place it on your block, and you are ready to go. So now let me show you how to mount one of the wood mount stamps. So I'm going to use this one right here, and it's the You Are Loved, and it goes on this block. And I'm going to find the sticker, and I'm going to take this sticker off, and I'm going to apply it to the center of the block, just like that. And then I want to make sure that my words are in the same orientation. So this is the word you, and this is the word you right here, so I know it's in the right direction. And then you just peel off the backing and put this in the center and press it down really well. Make sure it's stuck on there really well. And that's it. So easy to do. Okay, I'm going to show you how to mount the cling stamps. The mounting is exactly the same for the clear mount stamps. So you're going to open it up, and you're going to have a sticker sheet, and then you're going to have your die cut stamps. And let me see, I am going to do this butterfly. So this butterfly is this image right here, and I'm going to find that on my sticker sheet right here. And there are slits cut so that you can peel off the protective layer here. And then you're going to peel the backing off of the stamp. And you're going to very carefully position it directly above your sticker. These are permanent stickers, so once it's stuck on there, you cannot remove it. So you want to get it exactly positioned just right. And then you're just going to carefully peel it up. And there we have our butterfly. So as you can see, that's really simple to do. And then you just mount this on your block. There we go. I think it'll fit just like that. And there you go, ready for stamping. Visit my blog to see how I use the Amazing Life photopolymer stamp set to create these 2 beginner cards. And this card for the casual stamper, just a little bit more advanced technique. And then this card with coordinating envelope for the avid stamper. My next video will be on the different types of ink pads Stampin' Up! Offers. You don't want to miss it. If you want to join a community of crafters just like you, I have a secret society where I share up-to-date techniques, tips, and products to keep your projects fresh. The link is below. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. Leave a comment below telling me which type of stamp you like best. Thank you for visiting Easiest by Stamping. I look forward to helping you create pretty projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, and remember, do something creative every day.